Hi guys, welcome to Romano Road Ready. Here's today's tip brought to you by the Romano Mazda team on how often you should change your engine and cabin air filters. All right, so to check your engine air filter, we're gonna end up opening the hood of your vehicle, which on the bottom left of your steering wheel, there's a little release lever, which you can pull that. That's gonna open up our hood, and we'll show you guys how to check your engine air filter. So with the hood open, bottom right corner here, we're going to remove this plastic cover, which will expose our engine air filter. You can see this vehicle has a pretty clean filter, so we don't need to do anything with this one for today. But next we'll show you how to check the cabin air filter inside the vehicle. Right, so to check your cabin air filter, you're going to open up your glove box. If you push on the side panels here, you're going to be able to depress and actually lower this down, which will expose your cabin air filter. Takes a little bit of squeezing, but you can see this one's also good. We're going to show you guys an example as to what clean versus dirty air filters look like now. All right, so for example here, we have a brand new clean cabin air filter versus a well-used dirty one, which has done a good job of collecting debris and particulates. Same story here on the engine air filter. You can see clean new one versus a dirty used one. The suggested interval for replacement on these air filters is roughly every 15,000 miles. However, we will check these and recommend the replacement based on conditioning when we see fit. Thank you for tuning into this week's tip brought to you by the Romano Mazda team. We'll see you next time on Romano Road Ready. Real people, real advice, the Romano way.